If you're seeing the itch.io Json Rpc error 12,000, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to fix it when it happens during login. This error can be frustrating, especially when you know your account details are correct, but in many cases, it's caused by a simple login failure inside the itch.io app. The good news is that there's an easy workaround that usually gets you back in fast. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Now, let's get into it. First, open the itch.io app and try signing in normally. If the Json Rpc error 12,000 appears right after you enter your login details, the issue is often related to an incorrect username or password, or a broken login session inside the app. Instead of repeatedly trying the same login over and over, stop there and use the Forgot Password option. This is the key step that can bypass the problem. Click on Forgot Password in the itch.io app, then enter the email address linked to your account. Check your inbox for the password reset email, and if you don't see it right away, look in your spam or promotions folder as well. Once you receive the email, follow the reset link and create a new password. Make sure the new password is something secure, but also something you can remember. After resetting it, go back to the itch.io app and sign in again using your updated credentials. In many cases, this completely resolves the Json Rpc error 12,000 because it refreshes the login process and clears the failed authentication issue. If you still have trouble, double check that you're typing the correct email and that caps lock is off. Also make sure you're using the latest version of the itch.io app because outdated app versions can sometimes cause login problems too. But in most login-related cases, the forgot password method is the fastest fix and the one that gets users back into their account successfully. So to recap, if the itch.io Json Rpc error 12,000 happens during login, don't keep guessing your password. Use the forgot password feature, reset your credentials, and try logging in again. That simple step often bypasses the error and restores access right away. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful fixes and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.